All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and we've got a TeddySwap video for you guys. Sorry about today's uploads. The audio is just broken. For whatever reason, my system switched the input audio to my PlayStation 5 controller. For whatever reason, PlayStation has a microphone built into the controller. It literally sounds like crap. I don't understand why it has a microphone built into it, but we're back. We're making videos again, and we're taking a look at the TeddySwap stable DEX, the supposed to be the largest or most used open source stable DEX on Cardano, and the testnet is live. So we've got a Medium article here and some details. The link is in the thread here, the replies, and it's also on the main website. So let's go ahead and click and check out the article here. We are excited to announce our incentivized testnet, ITN, is now live. Throughout the duration of our testnet, our community members will be able to participate in our testnet competition and earn TEDY tokens. So there's a competition that is happening right now. There's 3 million TEDY tokens up for grabs. They're going to be, it's based on a point system. So as you do things and test things on the actual DEX, you will get points, and it's all going to be tracked via your test wallet. So introduction, we are excited to announce our public testnet is now live. We are launching our public testnet, and starting now, our community members can earn TEDY for participating in our testnet competition. And then they go into the incentivized testnet, or the ITN. For the first iteration of our testnet, there will be 3 million TEDY tokens available to our community members. For the TeddySwap ITN, participants receive 1 point for each task completed. Each action, a swap, liquidity, batching. So swapping is just trading test tokens on this testnet. It's not real money. They're not real tokens. So it's okay. You can just play around and get used to the platform, get used to the interface, and also help them test. Liquidity. So that would be adding and removing liquidity from liquidity positions on the testnet. And batch will each be worth 1 point. The following are tasks included in the scoring system. Swapping. Users will earn points for each trade made using specific assets. Create, add, redeem liquidity. Points will be awarded to users for contributing assets and also by redeeming their assets on the platform. The batcher or the badger. Users who take part in the batching transactions, where multiple transactions are grouped into one single transaction, will receive points. Participating in batch transactions improves transaction efficiency and speed while increasing the user's score. Batching documentation. So we've been waiting for this documentation for a while now. They've promised it maybe a week or so ago, and looks like we're going to be seeing that documentation pretty soon here. Will be available in the next few days. For now, only swap and liquidity points can be earned. All right, so you can do your swaps, you can do your liquidity, inputting liquidity, withdrawing liquidity. Scoring example. For example, during the testnet, let's say there are only 2 testers, Ted and Smokey. Ted makes 6 swaps, 4 add redeems liquidities, and batch 9 transactions, equaling to 19 points. So it's just 1 point for each of those things. Smokey made 9 swaps, 7 adds, redeems, liquidity, and batched 5 transactions, equal to 21 points. In this example, a total of 40 points were earned by community members because there's only those 2. Ted earned 19, divided by 40, 47.5% of the rewards, equal to 3 million, multiplied by 47.5% equals 1.4 million TEDY tokens. If the example included just 2 users, there's going to be way more than 2 users. So don't think you're going to get millions of TEDY tokens, because you won't. Let's see. The incentivized Smokey would earn 21 divided by 40 points equals 52.5% of the rewards, equal to 3 million times 52.5% equals 1.57 million TEDY tokens. Round 1. All round one Teddy Bears Club holders will receive 5% bonus per NFT on their total score for the ITN. So here we go with another Teddy Bears Club promotion that was not anticipated, something that is not listed on their roadmap or on their Teddy Bears Club documentation that they have published so far. So the thing I've been saying about this whole Teddy Bears Club, TBC, and the price of the NFT itself, if you're going to get your money back from it, it looks like we're inching closer to getting that return on investment at some point here. Maybe it's within the next 6 months, maybe it's before then, who knows? But if you're participating in the community, you're doing these things, you're getting involved, and you hold a Teddy Bears Club NFT, you're going to get a bonus. So far, so good. Hopefully they keep up this trend and we get some real utility out of holding this NFT, this expensive NFT. All right. So if you hold 3 Teddy Bears Club NFTs, which I don't, I just have one, you'll earn 15% bonus on your total score. If at the end of the testnet competition you have 100 points, you'll be given 115 points, increasing your share of the 1 million Teddy tokens available for the incentivized testnet. In the coming days, we'll announce the official details for round 2 of the Teddy Bears Club. Okay. So they said originally that they would do it. They would release more mints on this 10,000 NFT collection as they hit these landmarks, these milestones. So they said the testnet would be one of them, but they didn't release any. So I would say probably the next one is going to be either the release of all of the features on the testnet, or maybe when mainnet hits. Who knows? All right, so claiming Teddy from ITN. So they're going to go into how to claim these Teddy tokens. To claim Teddy, our team will use a dApp that verifies eligibility and testnet address and calculates the score for each completed task. The dApp utilizes the SIP8 message signing standard to connect the user's testnet address to their mainnet address and to validate whether they meet the qualifying criteria to receive the incentives. This makes it convenient for users to claim the rewards on mainnet for participating in our ITN. So it's just a this is a Cardano Foundation SIPs Cardano improvement proposal number 0008, and this is what it is, who's developed it, what it's for, what it does, how it works, and the code for that. So what it does basically is it mirrors your testnet address to your mainnet address, and it allows you to send a message from one to the other so that they can verify that you own both wallets, and then use the information on the wallet, because again, it's public ledger. They can collect that information, all your transactions, everything you did, collect those points, connect it to your mainnet wallet, see if you have your NFTs, how many, up to 3, and do your multiplier that way, and then release your rewards to you. So it's pretty cool stuff, nerd stuff. I wouldn't dig too deep into it unless you're interested. It's just a Cardano improvement proposal. To connect to the testnet address to validate whether they meet the qualifying criteria. This makes it convenient for users to claim. Yep. Next additions. The next thing we are adding to our public testnet is the full documentation on running a batcher. And this is what I've been personally waiting for. I want to see what the requirements are. Is it something that we can do? Can we set up a computer on the side? Do I have to get like a server space? Do I have to buy a server? Like, that's what I want to know. How easy is this going to be? We want any opportunity we can to generate rewards, whether it be Teddy tokens or ADA tokens. We want free. We like free. And we want to take advantage of that if it works out. If it doesn't, oh well, but we'll see. Running a batcher, overall overview page, a leaderboard of the testnet competition. That'll be cool. A full mobile support. We expect these all to be completed within the next couple of days. All right. Testnet manipulation prevention. Okay. The core TeddySwap contributors reserve all rights to modify and interpret the rules of this and all future airdrops. Additionally, Our team will blacklist any address that appears to run bots. Okay, I was just going to ask about that. What if somebody like set up a bot that just like did transactions like all over the place in order to create an unfair scoring advantage compared to those who are manually using the testnet protocols as intended? So that's cool. Final remarks. We are excited to complete this milestone of launching our public testnet with our community and look forward to getting community feedback to improve and strengthen our platform. The launch of the TeddySwap ITN puts us one step closer to launching on mainnet as we strive to be the top open source DEX on Cardano. So that is the blog, people. Get out there, get your testnet wallets connected, and get swapping, earn those points. I'm going to jump on and play around with it. I'll do a video, of course, and you'll get to see what I'm doing and how I did it and all that good stuff in the next video. So this has just been a blog post update on the live public testnet from TeddySwap. Hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.